and welcome back to my channel. And if you guys are new to my channel, then welcome. Thank you so much for stopping by. And if you guys love the content that I create, then please do consider subscribing to my channel, like today's video, share it with your friends and family, comment down below, and also hit on the notification bell so you guys are notified every single time I upload a new वीडियो. सो गाइज दिवाली खत्म हो चुकी है एंड अभी भी मैं वो दिवाली जोन में हूँ. आई डोंट फील लाइक डूइंग एनीथिंग. प्लस मुंबई में ठंडी भी स्टार्ट हो चुकी है, लाइक हल्की हल्की ठंडी स्टार्ट हो चुकी है एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दैट रीजन ऑल द मोर आई डोंट फील लाइक डूइंग एनीथिंग. एंड गाइस आपको पता ही है दिवाली के टाइम पर आई वाज नॉट इन मुंबई, आई वाज इन अहमदाबाद. तो ऑनेस्टली मैं अपना जो स्किन का ख्याल है इतना नहीं रख पा रही थी. आई वॉज बीइंग अ लिटिल लेजी. एंड दिवाली के टाइम पर तो सब पार्टी करते हैं, ढंग से खाते भी नहीं हैं, बहुत सारा स्वीट कंजम्पशन हो जाता है, लेट नाइट पार्टीज होती है, वी विजिट आवर रिलेटिव्स एंड फ्रेंड्स एंड ऑनेस्टली हम इतना थक जाते हैं बाय द एंड ऑफ द डे कि वी रियली डोंट टेक केयर ऑफ आवर स्किन. वी डोंट इवन स्लीप प्रॉपर्ली. तो जो नींद भी होती है काफ़ी कम हमें मिलती है, तो उसकी वजह से एक्चुअली इट कैन टेक अ टोल ऑन आवर स्किन एंड दैट्स व्हाई इट इज़ वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेक केयर ऑफ योर स्किन पोस्ट दिवाली. इसलिए मैं लेकर आई हूँ आप सभी के लिए post Diwali skincare routine. I have been also taking care of my skin post Diwali and I have been using products from the brand Volamena. So guys, मेरे पास Volamena के काफी products है. I have their face wash, their toner, vitamin C serum, eye cream, day cream and also their tinted sunscreen. So guys, Volamena has a range of 100% natural plant-based products for women and men. They are non-allergic to all skin types and offer the best solutions which is suitable for Indian skin. So you guys know skin care routine में जो हमारा first step होता है it is to cleanse your skin ताकि जो आपकी skin है prep हो जाए for next step. So here is Volamena's coffee face wash. It has natural Arabica coffee and cocoa. This face wash is formulated such that it is ideal for both men and women as a daily face wash to provide instant glowing skin, fight acne and it also improves skin complexion. And like I said before, ये जितने भी सारे products है 100% natural है, plant based products है, इसमें कोई भी sulfates, parabens या silicones नहीं है and this face wash is for all skin types. It's a gel based face wash and it smells amazing. एकदम coffee की तरह smell करता है. I absolutely love the way it smells. Now this face wash cleans your skin, thoroughly removes all the tan and dirt from your skin. आपकी स्किन को ब्राइट कर देता है and it controls excess oil production and also prevents acne breakouts. And guys, इसमें Arabica coffee powder beads है जो आपकी स्किन को gently exfoliate करता है, so it removes the dead skin and it thoroughly cleanses your pores. It not only instantly energizes your skin but it also uplifts your mood because of the coffee in it. It's a proper skin energizing face wash. And guys, it comes in this easy to squeeze tube. So once you are done with washing your face, guys, the next step is to go in with Volamena's Pro Clearing Aloe Vera Face Toner. It hydrates and calms your skin. Embrace the fresh, clean, soft, soothing feel on your face with the gentle, alcohol-free Volamena Pro Clearing Aloe Vera Toner, which is carefully designed to cater all skin types, even the sensitive type. It is suitable to use daily to cleanse, remove impurities and makeup. It's an alcohol-free toner, guys, and it unclogs your pores without overly drying out your skin. This face toner hydrates, calms, refreshes and moisturizes your skin and it has aloe vera and cucumber in it. And it is suitable for people who have normal to sensitive skin and it also removes waterproof makeup. It's a lightweight, non-greasy toner and it instantly gets absorbed into the skin. And guys, all the products are cruelty free as well. So guys, if you have a very irritated, itchy skin, acne prone skin and you're looking for a toner that will reduce the redness, then this is the toner you might want to try because it hydrates your skin, it calms your skin. And if you're looking for a toner that is specifically designed for sensitive skin, then it's a really nice toner. So I personally have acne prone sensitive skin, guys, and this toner works really well for me because it has no alcohol in it and the mist works really well. It's very fine. It's not harsh, it's a very fine mist, and again this toner also smells amazing. Even though it is an alcohol free toner, it has astringent properties in it which is very good for people who have blackheads and acne prone skin. The third step is to go in with this serum. So it is their proactive vitamin C skin serum. It has hyaluronic acid and collagen in it. Guys, since it has hyaluronic acid in it, it adds a burst of hydration to your skin. It increases the hydration hydration and elasticity, and it reduces scars. It is for both men and women, and it is for all skin types. This proactive vitamin C skin serum diminishes dullness and reduces the appearance of fine lines, wrinkles, and discoloration that shows. It evens out skin tone and texture for younger looking skin. So guys, जितने भी मैं आज आपको products बता रही हूँ, they are apt for your post Diwali skincare routine, because जो आपका skin tired हो जाता है, dull हो जाता है दिवाली के time पर because of all the parties and late nights and all that stuff. So ये जितने भी सारे products हैं, these products will revive your skin and add that healthy, beautiful glow, and जितना भी dullness है, tiredness है, it will go away. So this is the packaging, and it comes with a pump dispenser. And ये जो सीरम है गाइस बहुत ही अच्छा है, लाइट वेट है, क्विक अब्जॉर्बिंग है, नॉन ग्रीसी है, एंड अगर आपके बहुत सारे स्कार्स हैं जो एक्ने स्कार्स होते हैं, इट विल हेल्प इन रिड्यूसिंग दोज स्कार्स, एंड इट स्मेल्स अमेजिंग गाइज. आई एम टेलिंग यू गाइज, ये जितने भी सारे प्रोडक्ट्स हैं उनका जो सेंट है बहुत बहुत अमेजिंग है. आप खुद देख सकते हैं, बहुत ही ज़्यादा क्विक अब्जॉर्बिंग, लाइट वेट, नॉन ग्रीसी वाइटामिन सी सीरम है. वाइटामिन सी सीरम इज़ एन इंटीग्रल पार्ट ऑफ माई स्किन केयर रूटीन. वाइटामिन सी इज़ वेरी वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. आपकी जो स्किन है उसे ब्राइट कर देता है, जो डलनेस होता है ना उसे डिमिनिश कर देता है. एंड गाइज, दिस सीरम इज अल्कोहल फ्री, मिनरल ऑयल फ्री एंड पैराबेन फ्री. सो गाइज, वंस यू अप्लाई दिस सीरम यू विल सी अ डिफरेंस इन योर स्किन. आपकी जो स्किन है ना हेल्दी लगती है, ब्राइट लगती है, ग्लोइंग एंड रेडिएंट लगती है. सो स्टार्ट इंक्लूडिंग विटामिन सी सीरम इफ यू गाइस हैव इट येट. एंड गाइस, आप इसे अपने अंडर आइज पर भी लगा सकते हो, ठीक है. इफ यू हैव लाइक डार्क सर्कल्स यू कैन अप्लाई इट अंडर योर आइज एज वेल इन द मॉर्निंग एज वेल एज एट नाइट. इन अ स्किन केयर रूटीन इट इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट टू टेक केयर ऑफ द स्किन अराउंड आवर आइज. I know a lot of people actually miss out on taking care of their eyes, like the skin around their eyes, लेकिन बहुत बहुत ज़रूरी होता है guys to take care, okay? So जैसा मैंने आपको पहले भी कहा, आप ये जो विटामिन सी है यूज़ कर सकते हो as your serum, ठीक है, for your under eyes. I have this cream with me, which is this one. ये है Volamena का Advanced Repair Under Eye Cream. It has no mineral oil and paraben in it. This one reduces dark circles and wrinkles around your eyes. It has Swiss apple plant cell, cucumber, coffee and lemon in it. It's a non-greasy organic cream that provides hydration and increases circulation to your eyes, making them look youthful and less tired. This particular under eye cream is far beyond any on the market. So this eye cream comes in this tub guys, in this jar. It's a very rich, very thick, moisturizing and nourishing eye cream. If you look at the texture guys, okay, बहुत ही ज़्यादा thick है, लेकिन बहुत ही क्विकली अब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है स्किन में. इट्स अ नॉन ग्रीसी फॉर्मुलेशन, दैट इज़ व्हाट आई लव अबाउट इट. लाइक रिच भी है, थिक भी है, मॉइस्चराइजिंग भी है, लेकिन इंस्टेंटली अब्जॉर्ब हो जाता है स्किन में. सो इफ़ यू हैव लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ पफीनेस, bags and dark circles under your eyes, you will love this cream because it does a very good job of taking care of your under eyes. बहुत ही अच्छा है, and you get a good quantity guys. A little goes a long way. What I love about this eye cream is that it moisturizes my skin and it instantly, you know, जो भी वो थोड़ा सा tiredness होता है उसे वो diminish कर देता है, so it does not look dull. So you all agree with me, right? Applying a moisturizer is very important. I know a lot of people actually skip this step, लेकिन guys ये step को skip नहीं करना है. Applying moisturizer is very very important. So I have this day cream for you all. So it is their Restorative Hydration Day Cream. It has SPF 20 in it and PA++. It adds radiance to your skin and it protects your skin from sun and pollution. It is a lightweight, long-lasting cream that provides moisturization for a healthy skin with a natural glow. This cream retains skin's natural moisture and gives it an instant moisture boost. Guys, this cream, okay, is rich in texture yet it is lightweight. I hope I'm making some sense. You know, rich भी है लेकिन lightweight भी है and quickly absorb भी हो जाता है skin में. Like जैसे ही आप apply करोगे and you'll start massaging it into your skin, you'll see like instantly, just like this, it just gets absorbed into the skin. And this day cream leaves your skin very smooth and well nourished. And it has a very pleasant scent. and it is free from mineral oil and parabens. So this day cream does a very good job of moisturizing your skin. The last and the most important step is to apply a sunscreen. So it is their mineral based sunscreen. It's a tinted sunscreen, by the way, and has SPF 50 and PA++ in it. So it protects your skin from sun's UVA and UVB rays. It is for Indian skin tones and it is for all skin types. It's a matte finish sunscreen and it is dermatologically tested. It has zinc, titanium oxide, grapeseed and vitamin E in it. This natural mineral based sunscreen gives a velvety dry touch, light feel without white cast, and blends easily in every skin tone. The lightweight formula resists rub off. It absorbs quickly for a smooth, clear and flawless even skin tone. It has a universal tone which blends effortlessly with all skin tones, and it has no fragrance. So you guys can see it has this tint in it, okay? And the best part is it does not leave any white cast and it quickly gets absorbed into the skin. It blends very nicely and it instantly leaves your skin matte. It leaves your skin with a really nice velvety matte finish, and since it's a tinted sunscreen, it leaves your skin even toned. So that was my post Diwali skincare routine, guys, and I really hope that you found today's video to be helpful, and I will be leaving all the links in the info bar, and I shall see you guys very soon in my next one. Until next time, keep reviving your own fashion, and do not forget to use my coupon code Ankita20 to avail 20% discount.